Norway is a land sculpted by ancient ice, where mountains rise from the sea and glaciers carved deep valleys, later filled by the sea to create fjords. The coastline is a labyrinth of islands and inlets, a testament to nature's slow, relentless artistry. To stand here is to feel small, humbled by sheer cliffs and dark waters. Waterfalls cascade like silver ribbons. Eagles soar overhead. Pine forests cling to steep slopes, and water laps quietly against stone. In Norway's untouched heart, nature reigns supreme, and our journey begins where land and sea meet. The fjords are Norway's soul, deep, narrow arms of the sea flanked by towering cliffs. Their dark waters reflect the sky and immense, rugged mountains above. Farmhouses cling to ledges, waterfalls pour from hanging valleys, and every bend reveals a breathtaking view. Each fjord has its own character, some wide and majestic, others narrow and winding, always shifting with the light. Morning mist, midday sparkle, and evening glow transform the landscape into a living painting. The experience is meditative, humbling, and unforgettable. This is a journey that stays with you long after you leave. Among Norway's fjords, Geirangerfjord stands as a global icon, a UNESCO World Heritage Site of pure natural drama. Its steep mountainsides are draped in lush green, plunging into winding blue waters. The Seven Sisters waterfall cascades in 7 shimmering streams, while the Suter waterfall faces them across the fjord, weaving stories into the landscape. High above, abandoned mountain farms like Skagafjord cling to remote ledges, reminders of human resilience in this wild place. The air is cool and fresh, filled with the roar of waterfalls and the cries of gulls. Colors here are vivid sapphire water, emerald slopes, and misty vales. Geirangerfjord is a sensory feast, sight, sound, and scent blending into an unforgettable experience. It's more than a postcard. It's a living world, rich with history and wonder. Every moment here leaves a lasting impression on the soul. This is a treasure to be cherished and protected. Norøyfjord, Geirangerfjord's sibling, offers a more intimate adventure. Exceptionally narrow, with cliffs soaring up to 1,800 meters, it feels like a secret canyon carved by giants. Each twist in the fjord reveals hidden hamlets and sudden waterfalls, making every moment a discovery. The water is often glassy, mirroring the towering cliffs and snow-capped peaks above. Silence reigns, broken only by distant bleats or the splash of a cascade. Wildlife thrives here. Seals bask on rocks, eagles soar overhead, and life in tiny villages moves with the seasons. Norøyfjord is a sanctuary, where nature and people coexist in delicate balance. It's not just a place to see, but a world to move through and become part of. Here, the landscape's power and tranquility are deeply felt. Norway's true magic often lies off the beaten path, in hidden fjords and secluded coves far from the crowds. These secret places reward the adventurous, those willing to hike steep trails or take a lonely ferry to a remote island. Here, you might find a turquoise fjord no one's heard of, or a white sand beach accessible only by boat. The silence is profound, broken only by wind and waves, offering a private communion with nature. These are nature's private gardens, where you can sit in peace, far from the world. The search for these places is as rewarding as the discovery itself. In these quiet corners, you become an explorer, charting your own course. The moments you find, hidden views, quiet beaches, become your personal treasures. Norway's wild heart is best discovered in these secret sanctuaries. Beyond the fjords, Norway's outer coastline is a wild frontier where land meets the relentless North Atlantic. Thousands of islands, from barren skerries to green havens, form a maze along the shore. Storms send waves crashing against cliffs, while calm days reveal serene waters and vibrant colors. Seabirds nest on sheer cliffs, their calls filling the air, while kelp forests and marine life thrive below. The relationship between land and sea is inseparable here. Each shapes and sustains the other. Exploring this coast, you feel connected to something ancient and elemental. Whether watching a fiery sunset or kayaking between islands, the experience is invigorating and cleansing. This is not a gentle landscape, but one of raw, unpredictable beauty. The wild coastline is a testament to nature's enduring power. Here, the land finally yields to the endless sea. Norway's untouched beauty is a world of scale and tranquility, sculpted by nature over eons. These landscapes, fjords, waterfalls, secret coves, are living ecosystems, not just scenery. Standing here, you feel the crisp air, the silence, and the vastness that stills the mind. But these wonders are fragile. Glaciers retreat, waters face pollution, and wildlife is at risk. We are all stewards of these cathedrals of nature. Let us visit with respect and protect these treasures for future generations. The awe they inspire should fuel our desire to preserve them and all wild places. In saving these landscapes, we save a vital part of ourselves. Norway's epic beauty is a call to cherish and defend the natural world.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.